So first thing was we wanted a multi-model, highly scalable graph database because we didn't want to deal with different database technologies and we wanted to reduce the number of moving parts.
Now, what we loved about ArangoDB is that because it was a multimodal database, we could get pretty much everything we wanted out of one particular database, and we could focus it for each of these different problems that we were solving.
Why not something like just a graph system, right? A graph system is great, but it solves only one part of the problem, right? We had this profound desire to avoid complexity by using a single database management system. Graph is graph, right? You still need a place where to store the rest of the state of the entities, deal with the versioning, search requirements and so on, right? So, not ideal for us.
And that's one of the big advantages we really see here, because we can keep all that within a single system, which, by the way, is again a big advantage for the sensitive data, because every move to a different system is, of course, an additional risk we want to avoid.
That's kind of how we came at ArangoDB. We came there because we had a list of complex requirements, right? Versioning, manage object state, connectivity, text search. And we were very keen of doing this in one database management system to avoid all the well-known problems.
Model flexibility, we wanted to be able to try different things, try different ways of storing our information and not have to be stuck with one.
The other major point is that a multimodal database can really seriously simplify a system design, right? It's important to understand that in a large operation like ours, every time you add a new database in the system, you sign up for a lot of work. You sign up for all the work to deploy it, to monitor it, to upgrade it, constantly, to stay on top of vulnerabilities, all the code that needs to be written to keep things in sync. This is just a lot of work.